Okay. Good afternoon, everyone, and Ma'am May Cristobal. My name is Mary Joycel S. Montoya, and
Carla B. Angeles, and we are the Group 3.
we are here to present our research study, Strength Exercises. What are the benefits of strength exercises? Strength training or enhance your quality of life and improve your ability to everyday activities. Strength training can also protect your joints from injury. Building muscles also can contribute to better balance and may reduce risk of falls. This can help gain independence as you age.
Strength exercises are crucial for building muscle mass, improving density, and boosting metabolism. Here are some effective ones.
Number one, squat target the lower body including quadricep, hamstring, and glutes. May explanation. Squat is a strength exercise in which the train lower their hips from a standing position and then stands back up during the descent. The hip and knee joints flex while the ankle joints. Those flex conversely and hip knee joints extend.
Number two, deadlift work multiple exercises, especially the lower back, glutes, and hamstring. Ito ang nagbubuhat ng barbell na sa nakatayo tapos dahan-dahang ibababa ko. Dahil sa paraan ng pagbubuhat na iyon, ay napalakas nito ang ating upper and lower back, lalong-lalo na ang ating muscle at sama na ang ating hita.
Bench press focuses on the chest, shoulder, and triceps. Ang bench press, ito ay ginagawa habang nakaiga ng isang patag na upuan at ginagamitan ng barbell. Ginagamit ang bench press upang mapataas ang lakas ng katawan at mapatibay ang muscle kabilang ang dibdib, braso at balikat.
Pull-ups and chin-ups, great for the back, biceps, and forearms. Practicing pull-ups and chin-ups can strengthen your upper body, including your back, shoulder, and arms, which can help improve postures and reduce the risk of injury by stabilizing the muscles around your shoulder and spine. These exercises engage your core, promoting stability and balance, further reducing the likelihood of injury during physical activities.
Shoulder press targets the deltoids and triceps. Shoulder press po yung may binubuhat kang dalawang dumbbell sa kaliwat kanan na kamay mo, saka itataas baba, and kailangan pag gagawin to is nakatamang position para iwas injured. At ang target nga po nito is yung deltoids and triceps.
Those work the upper back, bicep, and forearms. Those exercises are strength training movement that primarily target muscle of the upper back, including the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, and traps. They can be performed using various equipment such as dumbbells, barbells, cables, or resistance bands. The basic the basic motion involves pulling a weight toward your body while keeping your elbows close to your side and squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top of movement. Those help improve posture, enhance upper body strength, and contribute to a balanced physique by targeting muscle that are often neglected in other exercise like bench press or push-up.
Lunges engage the legs, particularly the quadricep, hamstring, and glutes. Lunges are a fantastic exercise for targeting multiple muscle groups, including your glutes, quadricep, and hamstring. They also help improve balance and stability, plus you can do them also anywhere without any equipment.
Planks stretch the core muscles, include the abdominals and lower back. Ang mga tabla ay isang kamangha-manghang ehersisyo na nagpapalakas ng core. Ang paghawak ng posisyon sa tabla ay nagsasangkot ng maraming grupo ng kalamnan kabilang ang inyong abs, likod, balikat at glutes. Ang mga ito ay isang simple ngunit epektibo paraan upang mapabuti ang pagkahalatang katatagan at postura.
All, always prioritize proper form and technique to prevent injury and maximize effectiveness. Additionally, consider consulting with a fitness professional to tailor a strength training program to your specific needs and goals.